VACC MotorTech continues to expand and innovate. Following on from the successful launch of MotorTech version 2 in December 2023, MotorTech has delivered a wealth of automotive diagnostic, service and repair information to businesses across Australia and New Zealand.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the Our Auto Series 3 Premium Diagnostic Tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
Throughout the year, over 30 new models were added to the Haynes Pro component of VACC MotorTech. With thousands of technical updates, new electronics procedures and smart system entries, this ensures that our subscribers can tackle a wider variety of vehicles with the confidence that they have the most accurate, up-to-date information. New repair procedures have also been added to Haynes Pro, increasing the level of support to your service and repair workflows, along with regular updates to TechOnline and TechTalk. Our renewed and expanded partnership with InfoPro Digital Automotive means subscribers will continue to benefit from our cutting-edge technical data, ensuring you stay ahead of an ever-evolving automotive landscape. And coming soon, we're excited to introduce vehicle registration matching, the first feature of its kind in a purely technical information-based product. This tool will streamline vehicle selection, improving efficiency and ultimately helping you save time and putting money in your pocket. Thank you for being a part of another successful year with VACC MotorTech. Here's to more advancements in 2025. For more information, see the December 2024 issue of Tech Talk. Log on to VACC MotorTech or call VACC's Tech Advisory Service.